How to upload Capcut videos to TikTok. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily upload your videos from Capcut to TikTok. First thing first, open up your Capcut and open the video that you want to share to your TikTok app. So I'm just going to tap on New Project. So here is the video that I want to share to my Capcut from Capcut to TikTok. So after making edits, you just want to make sure that the aspect ratio is right. So tap on aspect ratio down below. Make sure you select it to 9:16. That's the TikTok ratio. So you can see the TikTok icon there as well. Tap on done. And then from here, you can just go ahead and export the video. Tap on export at the top right. And here the video is now exporting, so just wait for it to complete. Once the video has been exported, you'll have an option to directly share it to TikTok from here, but I don't recommend you do that because the quality is going to drop significantly. So just go ahead and export it to your gallery, and the easiest way is after exporting it, you can just open up your TikTok. And once your TikTok is open, you can tap on the plus icon at the bottom, and then you can simply select the video from your gallery. So just tap on the gallery icon. Now here I've selected the video, just tap on select and then tap on next. And now tap on next again. And you are ready to post the video, so tap on post. And from here, just tap on post video. So the music users confirmation will be accepted if you choose to post the video. So here you can see what the music users confirmation is. Once that is done, you should be good to go. So tap on post video and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.